Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft OneDrive with the error code 0x8004de2f in Windows. With the error message, there was a problem connecting to OneDrive. You don't have access to this service. For help, contact your IT department with the error code 0x8004de2f. So this error typically occurs when OneDrive is unable to sign in or sync properly. The error 0x8004de2f can be caused by a variety of different issues, include bad or unreliable internet connections issues and network instability. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check network and internet troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And then once you open up this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select network and internet, and on right side, then you can see here this run and then click. And we will redirect here at help and support. So all you have to do is to follow the step-by-step procedures and method to fix this error. So you can see now here all complete information details on how to fix. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to close. And the next solutions we were going to do is to enable TLS protocols. All you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type internet options and then click open, and pop ups this internet properties. So in next step, and then you need to select this advanced tab and then click. So here at advanced tab and under app settings, and then we need to enable this TLS 1.2 and 1.3 should be enabled, and then you need to scroll down and find and locate. And first, we need to disable this use SSL 3.0 should be unchecked, and the other one is TLS 1.0 unchecked, and the other one is the TLS 1.1 should be unchecked. So you need to disable that, and the next step, then you need to enable or check this box. This TLS 1.2 and 1.3 should be checked, and then click apply and then click OK. Alright, so once you do this, and here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft OneDrive with the error code 0x8004de2f in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.